This weekend, we have also joined the First Ladies Lab for All. Then we have a mentorship of 20 to 30 people go there for mga micro-entrepreneurs who are getting medical help. They could also get help for
Kasi
their
mga
business.
entrepreneurs natin, may sakit sila actually. Siguro easily 1/3 of them may sakit. And it's cheaper to conduct primary health care than after nakasakit na. Mas mahal yun. Mas
Kaya
mura
maganda
yun,
ang project ni First Ladies Lab for All.
Oo. Believe nga ako, every province na target. She has produced 83 Lab for All clinics, mobile clinics. Here, you can do everything. Blood test, sugar test, x-ray.
Yung component ng negosyo, we have a small section there of maybe 20 to 30.
Ang gagawin ng lab mobile, pupunta sa isang bayan.
So they go there and then
Tapos sasabayan niya ng negosyo.
we join because we have mentors all over the country.
Yeah.
Quezon City is coming, I think, Monday. We'll be in Quezon City. The Lab for All will be there, and that will be my first time to attend the Lab for All.
First time mo?
Malaking bagay na rin na yung lahat ng mga hospitals, private sector na into medicine and all of that are all there, no? So it's really helping those who can't afford.
Yeah.
I mean, how often do you take a blood test? Siyempre, that will be the last thing they do kasi magastos.
Kasi alam mo, 70% of Filipinos die without seeing a doctor in their lifetime.
Yeah. That's the sad state because
At least dito sa Lab for All,
they have...
the 70% will see an x-ray machine. Di ba?
No, kompleto sila. They have everything.
Ang galing ng concept na yan, believe ako.
Kaya,
It's so simple an idea, easy to execute, doable, and modular, and easy to replicate.
well, that's why I have to give it to the First Lady. I mean, that's the first time I've seen a concept being... Parang it's like a caravan of... which is good. And extra na lang kami in the mentoring side for the... Kasi they will restore their health. We want to help them make sure that
The Lab for All restores the health. Kayo, restore the financial health of the family enterprise.
if the financial of it will not be there, they will not be able to sustain it. No?
Kasi pag nagkasakit ka, it will drain the capital of the enterprise.
Siyempre,
no?
either...
Kasi mahal ngayon eh.
No, not only that. The husband is working, and then if he loses his job, so the wife has to be the one there with the negosyo. No? It's a teamwork. One steady income, one negosyo income. Minsan tataas yan, minsan bababa yan.